Right here. No, Ava, right here. Look, you come up here. Ava, look, right here. Right here. Look. Let's train, okay? Look. See? Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on, Ava. Step. There you go. There you go. There you go, Ava. There you go. Okay, Daphne, get down. Come on, Daphne. Daphne, come on. Okay, Ava, you want the other half? Come on. Okay, let's do it again. Come on, over here. No, Daphne. Come on, Ava. Come on. Okay, come on. You coming? Come on. You gonna come? You gonna come down? Come on, Ava. There you go. Good job, Ava. Come on, Ava. Oh, look at you. Look at you, girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good girl, Ava. Yeah. Now, you want to do one of those? You want to come back up here? Here, Ava. We know you can do it. Come here, Ava. Here, let me get Daphne. Come here, Daphne. Come here, Ava. Right here. Oh, we go up just like we went down. Come on. There you go. Good job, Ava's here. Ava's a good girl. Okay, let me get you a treat. Hold on. Hold on, Ava. Hold on. Oh, good job. Yeah. Come on, go slow. Good girl. Yeah. Come on. Oh, Ava's liking this. Ava. Good girl. Yay. Well, I got her a little treat. Come on, Ava, one more. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Woo! I'm going to do one more, just getting some footage. I don't know if I can get Pepper to do it. Okay, come on. You know the way. Oh, look who's gotten good at this game. Wow. She's going to get fat playing this game. Come on down. All right. Good girl. You did it. Good job, Ava. You want to do one more? One more? Come on. Right here. Good job. Good girl. Ava. Coming out. Okay, go slow. Come on. Good girl. Oh, you such a good girl. You just did a good job. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Oh, Daphne's back. Oh, boy. All right. Okay, so now let's put it up. We got this safety latch right here. That's holding it in. And then check this out. That is pretty neat.